Hello everyone, my name is Himaja from NR Coaching Academy. I am proud to be the winner of Mental Maths from senior section. First of all, what is Mental Maths? Mental Maths which trains our brain and mind and also improves our focus and concentration. The idea of Mental Maths was brought by our NR Coaching Academy teacher, Uma ma'am. She asked us to do a video of Mental Maths of 2 minutes of any calculations of addition, subtraction, decimals, fractions and also division and multiplication. At first it was difficult for me to do calculations. Repeatedly I was doing lots of mistakes. I was thinking it is a waste of time doing mental maths. Little did I know this mental maths, this method can improve the way I was calculating. After a few days I saw a lot of improvements in me. The way of calculating the sums or problems was different from past the overall me. At first when ma'am was asking questions or asking us problems, it was difficult for me to calculate speedily. But now when ma'am is asking, our brains starts working fast and we are doing calculations speedily and we are working too fast. So the benefits of mental maths. The advanced maths was very easy. There was no tension and our anxiety, mainly in me, my anxiety level was decreased. And in exams, it was easy for me to do calculations and I can do lots of problems. It doesn't consume our time and I can also adjust my time management by this method, the way of calculating the problems. Then this method can be also used in our daily life. For example, when we go to shop to buy groceries and also when we are calculating our budget, then it improves our focus and concentration also. This both, that is focus and concentration, can also be used in other subjects also, which brings a lot of change in us. Then the main important thing in doing mental maths is we need a lot of focus and consistency in us. Why? Because if we focus a lot, the calculations which we do in our mind will be more quick. Then there will be no mistakes while doing calculations. The one exciting moment is that when we do calculations in our brain, we just check in our book doing calculations whether it is wrong or correct. It is just an exciting part in me that I will do while doing calculations in my mind. And the another important thing is that there is no use of taking pen and paper to do calculations or problems. So mental maths is the best way. If we learn mental maths, the calculations and doing problems will be a piece of paper to us. Then after doing videos, a lot of improvements were noticed. I realized I was too focused and I was too disciplined in doing work or in calculating. Overall, what I want to say is that I saw a lot of improvements in me, and my total perspective, way I was doing calculations was different. So this all happened because of mental maths. What I want to say is that mental maths can change our way of calculations. We can be more quick in doing calculations or problems. That's what I wanted to communicate with you guys. Thank you.